So if the officer shows up doing a knock and talk, wanting to actually see your guns, do you have to answer the door? Absolutely not. Do you have to talk to the officer even if he's trying to talk to you through the door? Absolutely not. You still retain and maintain all of your constitutional rights, and you have no requirement whatsoever to speak to the officer. In fact, the only way that the officer can enter into your home at this point, no matter what they're asking to see, is if, number one, you give them consent, which we've talked about, that's not a good idea. Don't give them consent. Why would you do that? Number two, if they have a valid search warrant. They must have a valid search warrant with a search warrant affidavit establishing probable cause to search your place. And then number three, they could have an arrest warrant, a valid arrest warrant. Finally, they could have what's called exigent circumstances, which is the fact you're either about to destroy evidence or commit a crime. They'd have to show some type of an emergency need in order to enter into the home. And so almost always they're not going to have any of these things, because I can tell you right now, if they've got a search warrant or an arrest warrant, they're not asking your permission. They're coming through the door regardless.